nerds, welcome to another episode on the Nerd Workbench. Today we are showing you how to safely remove thermal paste from a CPU and a Cooler Heatsink. So grab your tools and let's begin. First, we have a list of tools: alcohol, cotton swabs, paper towel, toothpicks. Now you say, wait, where are the professional tools? Aren't those just normal household items? Well, beside my cardboard box, there's other options. You can use tools like ArcticClean that has their own kit, or you can use thermal paste cleaning wipes from Noctua. Either will work great, and it's made specially for this kind of project. But today I'm keeping it simple, just normal household items, because you don't always will have these other options around. Just keep it safe, secure the CPU and start the cleaning. Now, without any alcohol, remove the excess of thermal paste if it's possible. If it's too hard, then just start using the alcohol. You can use both alcohols, either the 70% or the 90%. Now, the 99% will always dry faster. Lower than 90% is still good, but always remember, lower the grade, longer it takes to evaporate, and will leave impurities from the water when you're finished. Don't get me wrong, both will work good. The only thing I don't use is acetone. It damages ABS plastics, and a lot of electronics have ABS, so I stay away from it. And a lot of patience, guys. You don't want to mess up this project, especially your CPU. Some people use coffee filters, which is fine, and they're good for removing hard spots, but in this case I didn't really need it. And some people may ask why I don't do it on the motherboard. Well, I don't do it for several reasons. I respect anyone that does it, but I don't want any residue of paste to fall on the board or near the socket. Why? There could be a chance of damaging anything, and I won't take that risk. Once you have removed all the paste, make sure the alcohol is completely dry before installing anything. Alright, now it's a clean and shine CPU, guys. Now if you don't want this kind of mess or don't have the patience for future upgrades, there are other alternatives to thermal paste. On another video, we are going to install and test a graphic thermal pad. No spills, is reusable, and will give you same or even better result. So stay tuned. Alright, now let's continue with the cooler. Microfibers are also good. Just make sure there's no lint or debris behind when you finish cleaning. Same process, guys, same process. In this case, the toothpicks will help us on those areas hard to reach. Wait for it to dry before installing. Make sure there's no residue. And that's it. That's how we remove thermal paste from a CPU and a Cooler Heatsink. Hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, leave on the comments below. I will be happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, see you next time on the Nerd Workbench.